AI is useful in so many ways. Here's yet another one. How to summarize YouTube videos using ChatGPT using a plugin called Glasp.co. So Glasp.co is a wonderful plugin with lots of uses that I'm not going to talk about today. I will in the future because it's valuable. But there is one like sub-plugin to Glass.co that is incredibly valuable for a specific purpose that I want to show you right now. So let me get this thing up where it needs to be so that I can go on. Just 1 second. Okay, that's what I needed. Okay, so one of the problems of YouTube is that you need to write a really good description for your video, for your YouTube videos. And that's great. The challenge is, especially if you're doing it at scale, it takes time to do. And especially if you made that video several months ago, so you can't recall everything in it. And it's frustrating if you have to do them and it shows up in your quality. That's one reason why when you go to YouTube, there are so many videos that are like this long and it's clearly a cut and paste thing that basically says, hey, come over to my site to get this stuff. The problem with that is that if you do it that way, you miss out on all the SEO and helping people who actually read your description. So I've been struggling with this, trying to make this work as I've been putting all of these videos you see here up on YouTube. So the question is, how can you create quality YouTube descriptions? Well, how about if you use ChatGPT to do it using a plugin? That plugin is called the YouTube and Article Summary provided by ChatGPT. A title that totally makes sense. A YouTube and article summary powered by ChatGPT, which, by the way, there's another function that this thing does. It summarizes articles that I'm not going to talk about in this one. I will in a future one. We're just going to focus on the YouTube part. So it's here, glass.co/YouTube-summary. Let's do a demonstration of how all this might work. Okay. Here's a YouTube video about how to be a genius, Leonardo da Vinci's rules. Okay, so, and let's do this. Let's just quickly jump over here so you can see a little bit better what I'm doing. So up here in the corner, this is that video. This is that plugin, okay? It's called Transcript and Summary. So if I come over here and click this, it gives me a summary, and my face is in the way of it. That's okay. It's this is the transcript that's there on YouTube. You can see it down here. It's transcript because the person who made this, Thomas Frank, probably uploaded the full transcript of his video. Great. Or sometimes if you don't upload your own transcript, YouTube goes and transcribes it for you. By the way, using AI to do that. Okay, we're going to sort of ignore that, except if you want to, we could click this, copy transcript, and it will copy that, and then I can go paste it wherever. I will show you a usage for that in just a moment. What I really want to focus on is this one right here, which says View AI Summary. And what it's going to do is when I click this, it's going to open up ChatGPT. It's going to paste in that transcript, and now it summarizes it. There you go. This is what I have found to be a perfect start and oftentimes a perfect complete description of that video that I can literally cut and paste into YouTube to have that be the description of my YouTube video. Okay? It's literally that easy. Takes that much time. It's simple. It's easy. There's just 2 little tricks that are necessary to make this happen. The first one is that you come into here once you get this extension, the YouTube and article summary powered by ChatGPT, you come down here into the prompt for the summary. Their default prompt is summarize this in 5 bullet points. Pretty useless, okay? So what I've got is paraphrase this in first person, because when I'm posting my own description, I want it to be in first person, not in third person. Paraphrase this in first person to be used as a YouTube video description with no hype. Because one of the things ChatGPT does is it loves to put in all these little things that are just ridiculous that you would never want in your writing. I call it hype, and for some reason ChatGPT tends to get it when I say no hype, and it cuts all that junk out. And so just by making this change, it allows you to be able to come up with a description like this that goes through and describes what is here in this long transcription. Okay, that's how it works. That's how easy it is. By the way, it's my favorite price. It's free. And here is the page. If you go to glasp.co/YouTube-summary, you can get a whole description of it. And there's a video here that explains it. And you just click here to install it on Chrome or install it on Safari. All right, so let's go from that now and continue on and talk a little bit about how we can actually use this to be valuable in what we do. Okay, so first one, create descriptions for your own YouTube videos. So here's a concept you may want to just think about. Take your video, upload it to YouTube, give it 10 minutes so that YouTube automatically transcribes it. Then go to that page. You've not published that page. Normal human beings cannot see that page. You can only see it because it's your account. Go there and click the button up in the top right-hand corner and let ChatGPT generate your description, and then take that description and paste it into YouTube and massage it there. Okay, this way you can basically publish at scale all your descriptions for all the videos that you've uploaded. And by the way, if you've done this much text in your YouTube descriptions, just use this to fix them. Make them better. Go back into your old ones. Use this to come up with a better description and just paste those in instead. Okay, number 2. Grab transcripts of other people's videos so that you can more quickly grasp their key points. Remember when I showed you that you can just download the transcript? So not going through ChatGPT at all, you're just downloading the transcript. Now there are, I don't know, several dozen tools enable you to download YouTube transcripts. But as long as you got this, you might as well use that. And so just grab those transcripts and so paste them, maybe mark them up, and lots of tools to do that. Glasp.co actually does that. And that way you can more easily grasp the key concepts. How about this one? Create outlines of the videos so that you can add that type of content into your own video. So let's just imagine for just a moment that you were working on a video about, I don't know, maybe Leonardo da Vinci, and you'd come to this and you'd say, wow, this is really good. This is good stuff here. And so down here, I've got my description. I didn't publish that, so I'm not gonna put that video up. But how about if you do this? Give me a detailed outline for a YouTube video based on the original transcript published above, included above. Okay, all right, so let's do this. Let's just quickly do that and let it do it. Oh, here we go. We got an outline coming up. Then you can just grab that outline and use that, some of the points of that outline. Obviously, you don't want to plagiarize. You're not going to steal that outline, but it's like, oh, this embrace being a T-shaped person. I should include that one in mine. And off you go, you drop it into your outline, and your video comes out better as a result of doing this. So here's my question for you. What are you thinking of? Given the things I just showed you, there's a bunch of capabilities, there's a bunch of different things you can do with this. What are you thinking of doing to make your videos better, to make your workflow faster, and to make everything easier? Let me know in the comments. I recommend this tool. It's great. I use it all the time, and I suggest you do so also. It'll be in the description of this video. This is Don Crowther saying, just go do this stuff.